Okay, good evening, everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce about the Neuralink brain chip, the future of brain. So, this is our the topic about team project, and let's introduce about the introduction about the Neuralink brain chip. So, Neuralink is founded by Elon Musk in 2016, and it aims to develop with the high bandwidth brain machine interfaces. The company mission is to enhance human capabilities and address neurological conditions through the advanced technology. The Neuralink brain chip is a coin-sized devices implanted in the brain featuring ultra-thin and flexible electrode threads that direct communication between the brain and external devices. This innovative technology promises to transform healthcare by treating neurological disorders such as Parkinson's and Apple spy and cognitive sensory abilities, and enable direct interfacing with the computers and smartphone devices. So the future where a brain-machine interface can significantly enhance human potential and improve quality of life. And it is also crucial to consider the ethical and societal implications of such advance as we move forward. So I go to the for the next second slide about how Neuralink works. So the first, the implementation process involves a minimum surgery performed using a robotic system, and this precision ensures the safe placement of the coincide chip in the brain. The chip is connected to ultra-thin flexible electrode threads, which are carefully inserted into specific brain regions. So next, talk about the functionality. These electrodes are designed to detect and neural activity. The chip facilitates with a high band data transfer between the brain and external devices through wireless communication and allowing for seamless interaction. And second, we talk about the interfaces, how where the magic happens, like the electrical threads capture the neural signals, which are then processed and interpreted by the chip. The data is transmitted wirelessly, so to connected external devices, enabling direct brain-computer interfacing. And the last part about the application of this technology is very vast. In the medical field, it can monitor and treat neurological conditions, providing real-time and therapeutic interventions beyond the healthcare. So Neuralink is aimed to enhance the cognitive and sensory function, potentially augmenting human abilities. At the end, this technology allows for direct control of computers and smart devices, opening up new possibilities for communication and interaction. Now, I like to call Pratima for the second slide.
Thank you, Shuvam, for introducing about the Neuralink and explaining us how does it actually work. So my part of the presentation include the applications and use case. Neuralink brain chip technology has a potential to revolutionize the life of individuals with the severe disabilities. For instance, it can help restore motor functions as demonstrated by the Mr. Noland, who regained some autonomy through the Neuralink brain-computer interface. This technology allows users to control devices like computer cursors or robotic aims just by thinking, and enabling tasks such as playing video games and using computer softwares like Photoshop. Communication is another critical applications. Individuals who have lost the ability to speak can use the BCI to convey messages by imagining specific tasks, significantly enhancing their ability to communicate. Additionally, CBIS are, are being explored for mental health applications, such as alleviating symptoms of depressions by stimulating brain regions. Overall, BCI technology holds promise to improving the quality of life for many patients, offering them a greater independence and connectivity. Can we move to this next slide, please? Thank you. So let's talk about the important legal consideration. So this technology raises several important legal considerations. Regulatory approvals are essential, requiring compliance with FDA regulations and clinical trials standards to ensure safety and efficiency. Transparency is also a key issue, as lack of public information about trades can impact trust and hinder scientific progress. Sharing detailed trial results is crucial for transparency. Intellectual property concerns involve patents and proprietary technology, which protect Neuralink innovations, but may lead to the disputes. Ethical and transparency issues are paramount, particularly regarding to the data privacy, informed consent. Ensuring participations fully understand the risks and benefits before agreeing to the procedure is essential. Finally, safety and long-term impact must be continually assessed to minimize the surgical risks and ensuring patients' well-being. Addressing these legal considerations is crucial for responding development and the development of Neuralink brain chip technology itself. Thank you. So I would like to give a voice to Sandesh.
Thank you, Pratima. Good afternoon, everyone. So we'll be discussing about the uh, in-depth ethical and logical consideration in Neuralink's human trials. So Neuralink's human trials have raised a significant concerns about the lack of transparency, including insufficient information about the trial status and safety procedures and performance metrics also. So experts are particularly worried about the scarcity of details regarding participants, surgical robots, and the trials absence from clinical trials government. So this lacks of transparency contrast sharply with the openness and ethical standards typically expected in clinical trials. So, foremost, transparency is essential for the public and scientific trust. We must also ensure that all the provided imputed values and clusterings output are clear and comprehensible. Secondly, data privacy and security are also paramount. So, we need to safeguard the confidential neural data to prevent hacking or wrongful use, protecting the participants' sensitive and crucial informations. So, informed consent is also a cornerstone for the ethical clinical research. And so participants should be thoroughly informed initially about the risk and benefits of the trial to ensure that they can make knowledgeable decisions. Also, continuous review and maintenance of the device safety are crucial to reduce the surgical complications using the advanced technological methods, and it is also essential to monitor the long-term effects on the participants to ensure their well-being. So also balancing risk and benefit also vital. So we must also ensure that the interventions are beneficial and not harmful, making the ethical decision regarding the implementation of BCI technology. So in conclusion, I'd like to say the successful adoption of Neuralink's BCI technology requires addressing all these ethical and legal considerations like transparency, data privacy, informed consent, safety, and balancing risk and benefits to ensure the responsible applications of this groundbreaking technology. Thank you for your attention. So I'd like to call Arjoo. Next part.
Okay, thank you, Sandesh. I want to talk about safety concerns regarding Neuralink. One of the major challenges is in clinical trials because of their lack of information and the information available for the public regarding the procedures and trials conducted. So it is so because of that, it is difficult for people to understand the risks and benefits of Neuralink. To build trust, Neuralink has to provide detailed information about trials procedures and the participant protection that are easily accessible and which are regularly updated. Additionally, as technology has advanced, ethical guidelines are crucial for navigating new challenges and maintaining trial credibility. Compliance with registration requirements like those in clinical trials with government, it needs to be essentially conducted to prevent misconduct and to ensure transparency. By focusing on clear reporting and with strong ethical standards and with strict compliance, Neuralink can enhance their integrity and trust in the clinical research. Moving forward to the next slide. We're going to talk about commercial interest and development. First, there's a source of interest and investment in BCIs, which means brain computer interface, driven by breakthroughs from companies like Neuralinks and Paradomics. So, visionary investors see this technology as a game changer, and researchers are working to improve how the Neuralink company is recording and how they are interpreting brain activity to aim more accuracy and broader applications. Second, the market potential for BCIs is very huge, with figures like Elon Musk and uh, and with the help of Elon Musk, it has become like a big big uh, big breakthrough. So BCIs could enhance cognitive abilities and create more intuitive tech experience. Finally, with the technological advancement, fully implanted wireless systems that promise seamless interactions between the brain and devices. It can run like it can demonstrate a skill, for instance, like controlled thought control devices, showing how BCIs could transfer our daily tech interactions. So moving forward, I want to call Abad for the next slide.
Thank you so much, everyone, for wonderful presentations. I have to work on future prospect and challenges. As we know that Neuralinks is the recent innovation, so there are a lot of prospect and the challenges as well as. So we talk about a lot of prospect and challenges briefly in our report. So if you talk about the prospect, future prospect, I have to say that there are a lot of prospect in medical developments. We know that through the more precise brain stimulation or the restoration of function of loss of functions, Neuralink's technology has the potential to completely transform the treatment of disease, including Parkinson disease, epilepsy, and spinal cord as well. So the second thing of the future prospect is I want to mention is integration AI and humans, because it's completely close to the humans, so we know that how to integrate this AI into the humans. A Neuralink technology may allow people to communicate with AI systems directly, resulting in innovative and collaborative new ways. The challenges, there are a lot of challenges in new things happening in the world. So there are risk and privacy is the most important things. The possibilities of hacking and the data breaches is just one of the major safety and security issues raised by the implementation of a brain chip. Then the next thing is if anything happening in the world, we have to regulate. We have to regulatory rules comes to bind these innovations. So in order to protect public safety and welfare, new regulatory framework will need to be established as a result of Neuralink's technology and advancements. So we are in the end. So in the conclusion, I have to say that Neuralink's brain chips holds enormous potential, a lot of potential for humankind's future. But there are also significant problems that need to be identified. As technology advances, it's imperative that ethics, security, safety, and responsible innovations comes first. So achieving a balance between innovations and a true assessment of these problems is necessary to identify and fully utilize this innovation technology. That's our presentation. As we see that there are a lot of references we and need to work on. That's it, I think. We want to go to our leader.
Okay, thank you so much, Abad. That's it. The presentation ends here. So thank you, Professor, for. I hope you like it for our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Professor.
Okay.
Thank